Hey guys, what's up? It's like a long day. What? Anyways, I had a crazy night.
I was like, what?
Actually, Mommy, you tell me what happened?
How about you tell me what happened?
Oh,
What happened at around 11:30?
in 11:30, just a couple minutes before midnight, a tornado struck the city, right?
Yep, a couple did.
I think it was like 2 or 3, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And the sirens are going on.
For about
Hannah woke me up during my sleep.
That was a chaotic 45 minutes.
And I saw large numbers of lightning. So I need to stop that chaotic thing. Right, Mom?
Correct.
I'm not following this.
And so that's what I'm telling you. We have a long day today. We had a pizza party.
Oh my goodness, why did you get a pizza party?
Wait, you get a pizza party at class today?
Yeah. Okay.
Could have been that bad.
So that's why I wanted to get a pizza party, because my teacher said as long as we behave, we can have a pizza party. Well, no, but in the end, we have it. Okay, so we are gonna go home and have some breakfast.
First off, it was like a lockdown drill.
And we had a tornado drill.
There was no siren, no alarm, no flashing lights. And you couldn't even turn on.
And
For a while.
yeah, and it says
I did offer my
seek
services.
shelter. Get to your
Get
shelter area.
Go to your shelter area. Then it's get to your shelter area immediately, and then it repeats.
Mr. Stallworth was helping us.
Hey. Get your protective
Yeah, he's the one that
methods
told us
and
that we were
seek
about to have a
get
tornado
to
when we came back.
your shelter area immediately.
And we
So
were out in the hallway. He was like, the tornado doesn't tell us these boys will.
yeah, I have some water.
You should have
Yeah,
heard
I
me in
refilled
my
it.
freaking 5th hour. We're gonna substitute again.
So
I don't know
I'm
what's going on, Miss Mom.
we're heading
least
towards
the next
home,
set. Oh,
and we are gonna.
Like the biggest realization ever.
Mama, what did I say about the video game?
Yeah, I have no idea. I'm driving right
I'm lost.
now. Yeah, we're having our own conversation up here. But
Okay.
we're almost home, so you gotta wrap up the video, okay?
Okay, so we are heading home, and we are getting some din-dins. Make sure to like and subscribe.
You came with.
I'm saying make sure to like and subscribe and put your bell on it. Alright, so I'll see you later.